Let's make cheesy garlic dough balls. 500 grams of white bread flour. Move to one side. 7 grams of yeast. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix together. Keep adding warm water until the mixture comes together. Knead the dough. You may need to sprinkle a little bit of flour. Separate into 16 equal pieces. Fold in some cheese. Melt 125 grams of butter. Add 3 cloves of garlic crushed and some of your favourite herbs. Coat the garlic butter over the dough balls. Cook for 15 to 20 minutes at 200 degrees. Enjoy!